Creating YouTube Shorts has become one of the fastest ways to grow your channel in 2025. With billions of daily views and YouTube's push toward short-form content, Shorts are the golden ticket for creators who want to gain visibility fast even without expensive equipment or editing skills. So, how do you create a YouTube Short that people actually watch, like, and share? Let's break it down step by step. 1. Understand what makes a short work. A successful YouTube Short is under 60 seconds. Vertical 9:16 format, high energy and engaging in the first 3 seconds. Focused on one clear idea or hook, relatable, funny, emotional, or surprising. The best shorts are snackable. Viewers should be able to understand and enjoy them with no context and no sound. Always use captions. 2. Find your niche or angle. Ask yourself, what do I want to be known for? What can I teach, show, or entertain people within 60 seconds? Can I remix trends or make original content with a twist? Some niche short ideas, AI tools in 10 seconds. One-liner motivational quotes, fun facts about history, science, or pop culture. Comedy skits or relatable moments. Behind-the-scenes mini vlogs. 3. Write a quick script or plan. You don't need a full script, just a plan. Hook first 1 to 3 seconds. Ask a question or show something visually striking. Value a story next 40 to 50 seconds. Deliver your message quickly. Call to action lasts 3 to 5 seconds. Invite people to like, follow, or watch more. Example, hook, I made my entire YouTube channel. And I didn't film a thing. Value, show the tools you used in fast cuts. CTA, follow for more AI hacks. 4. Film with your phone or AI tools. Don't overthink production. Use your phone or CapCut or InShot for editing. Pictory, Synthesia, or Cabaret are for ad-generated shorts. Use trending music from YouTube's built-in music library. Always add subtitles with bold text tools like AutoCap Help. 5. Optimize your upload when uploading your short. Use hashtag shorts in the title or description. Write an engaging, keyword-rich title. Add 3 to 5 hashtags like hashtag AI Shorts, hashtag YouTube Growth, hashtag Motivation. Use a thumbnail only if you want control, not required. 6. Post often plus study results. Post 1 to 2 shorts daily if possible. Study, retention, watch time. Click-through rate, comments and shares. The algorithm rewards consistency, so keep testing different styles. Pro tip, remix longer videos into shorts using tools like the Script, Lumen 5, or YouTube's remix feature. Turn one video into 10 shorts. Final words, you don't need a fancy camera, big team, or deep niche to win with shorts. All you need is your phone, a strong hook, and a consistent rhythm. Start simple. Keep experimenting. You might just go viral tomorrow. Want a follow-up video guide or a shorts content calendar? Just ask.